Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we're going to go to straight to Bybit. We're going to find out how to find opportunities on Bybit. So how do you find trading opportunities on Bybit? The first thing you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account. And after that, go straight through this. Okay, so this is the Bybit. And as you all know, we have the market, we have the trade, we have the earning, and also have the assets. Okay, almost every one of us is competent to Bybit environment by now. Okay, so if you just take your head up, you look at this search bar button here. Look at here. Okay, look at this place. This search bar button. You see Bybit making a lot of adverts there. So what do you just need to do? Those adverts are high opportunities on Bybit, because Bybit is advertising every particular of this coin, and each of this coin that Bybit is advertising, a lot of people, thousands of people are investing on it. You can see, like right now, it's showing OM, IP, G7, AVL, and all those ones are trading against USDT. You can see there. Okay, all those ones are trading against USDT. So all you just need to do is to come to this place and watch carefully. Take down the names of those coin Bybit is advertising. You can see it's advertising IP, it's advertising G7, it's advertising OM, it's advertising AVL. All those coins, each time you see Bybit advertising coin here, it's a sign that the coin is doing well in the market. Okay, it's a sign that the coin is doing what? The coin is doing well in the market. So what do you have to do? All you just need to do is to come to this place and search for AVL. Okay, if you search for AVL here, clicking on AVL, you can see how this AVL has been doing. Okay, that's been doing well, and it will keep doing well. Okay, come back there again to search for the next coin. There was IP. You can see the IP here. The IP is already doing well, like doing very good in the market. You can look at it. It's already doing very good in the market. You can come back here, there to search for OM. Okay, any coin you see Bybit advertising here, it's a sign that the coin is doing well. You can see this coin has been ups and down. See here and here. Okay, it took up from 7.4 to 8.1 here, and from 8.1 here to where? To 7.6 here. You can see the next thing is to what? Is to take up again. Okay, so this is one of the most sweet thing about Bybit. You can find a genuine opportunities here and invest on it and get a huge return for yourself. Okay, and again, you can come to losers here. If you come to losers here, you're going to go into check which one has the highest loss, which is this one. Which one has the highest loss here? Is this one, ETH3S minus 35. Another one is BTC3S minus 25. The next thing is this, and this, followed by each other. This is another place you can find opportunity, whereby you can invest in all those ones that are already having high in minus, and you stand to gain a lot of profit from it. Okay, but one of the major thing you can use to find this opportunity here is to be looking at this place. All those that are catching fires here, layers and the others. Focus on that place, and believe me honestly, you will earn a rational profit from Bybit. So thank you so much. Drop your question at the comment section if you do have any question, and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.